Alright, what's going on, traders? Welcome to today's live trading recap. Let's get right into it. First things first, happy start to your trading week. Okay, I firmly believe that the next 10 trading days, starting today and going forward, are going to be massively profitable. And so as we gear up and prepare to make a lot of money trading this volume indicator, all right, what I wanted to do is pitch some ideas to you guys and gals out there with respect to automation. Okay, and the reason that I think a lot of you guys are going to find this particular video fascinating is because I have been getting a lot of customers and clients of mine who want me to program an auto trader that only trades the vol color change. Okay, now this is something that I have not looked at in a long time. I personally have found that trying to trade the color change was a little too aggressive for me personally, as opposed to doing what I normally do, which is trade the retracement. But after listening and hearing out a lot of you guys who were pitching me on a daily basis, and by the way, thank you to everybody who constantly stays in touch with me and pitches me different ideas on how to trade this volume color band, man. I really appreciate it, all right? I love brainstorming with my people, and an overwhelming majority of them want me to build an auto trader that only trades the color change. And listen, feel free to verify this for yourself, all right? This is the S&P 500 chart live from today, Monday, August 12th, all right, 2024, okay? And let me show you all of the straight up color change trades that were available, man. Like, it was shockingly accurate today to the point where I've actually never seen it be so accurate, like in 20 years. So case in point, look at this setup here at 9:06 today on the S&P 500. Can you see the volume indicator changes color from red into green at this exact bar right here, which actually corresponds to approximately, let's see, 53.40. You can see that here on the y-axis, right? And so when the S&P 500 took over 53.40, man, it was a straight shot up. Look at that, to 53.75. I mean, Jesus, that was 130 ticks in just 1 hour, right? Let me show you an earlier setup. Take a look at this one here, man. This one's going to blow your mind too. Look at this. Can you see how the volume indicator changes from green into red on this exact bar right here? So a potential short would happen on the open of the next bar. Stop loss gets placed there, right? You're risking just 1 bar. And if we try to correspond this to the y-axis, you can see this short setup showed up at around, let's call it 53, 56-ish on the S&P, right? You can see that here on the y-axis. And from that point on, you guys can see that the S&P just cratered for well over 100 ticks. I mean, this is interesting, right? Because for the first time in a long time, my eyes have now been opened to potentially trading the color change as opposed to the retracement. And again, nothing wrong with the retracement, all right? Take a look at all of these gorgeous retracement setups, like along the way, right? Look at that beautiful long right there. Another one right there. Another one right here, like several more right here, right? There's nothing wrong with trading the retracement like you normally do. All I'm saying is it might be interesting to potentially build a different system to trade the color change. Look at this third one here, right? We've already looked at 2. One long, one early short. Look at this third one here. This short, this came at, looks like 10.23 today, corresponded to around 53.60 on the S&P. And this one again cratered for 100 ticks. I mean, honestly, what do you guys think about this, man? Let me know in the comment section below, or what I prefer even more is send me an email or a text message. Let me know what your personal take has been with your live trading against the color change, all right? And I also feel that this strategy of trading the color change is going to be a little bit more conducive to the S&P 500 as opposed to other symbols like the NASDAQ or oil or gold or all the others. All right. I know a lot of you guys have been looking for a dedicated strategy just to trade the S&P 500. Okay. My creative juices are already flowing on how I might potentially build a fully automated system to trade the color change. And whether you prefer automation or if you prefer manual trading, then I think this volume indicator color band is going to be an absolute cash printing machine jackpot. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.